The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down no offenses intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
This is a job for Fenton Ferguson. No! Super IT, Fancy Cat Man, and Elastic Boy! Let's go! Step back. Fret not, citizens. We will solve your car problem. What are we gonna do, Super ID? Elastic Boy, come! Quick, Fancy Cat Man, hold his hand. That side. This side. That side. That side. Wait. Elastic Boy, you're gonna have to use your super elastic skills. Wait, lay down. Bow down. I'm going to your car. Sir, drive your car. Once again, we've saved the day. Super IT and Fancy Cat Man. How are we gonna get back Elastic Boy?
Share the bleaching cream, make your skin clean like flood screaming. Where there is blood, rub it there. You can rub it beneath you.
It's like the devil in a jar. Them face stubborn and the bleach now reach. Hallelujah.
You can rub it between you. You can rub it beneath.
put it there. Don't put it there. Do you hear me? Now put it there. Don't put it. Hallelujah. Now put it there.
Rub it there, yeah. Rub it there, yeah. Where there is blood, rub it there. Rub it there. Rub it there, where there is blood.
Now put it there. Now put it there.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel fancy, yeah.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy, yeah.